Yeah, dear students, now I am going to explain uh, relations and functions of first PUC. The topic is relations and functions of first PUC. This is the first PUC math revision class. I am going to explain. The people who are attending the classes, please share me your names in the chat box, because I should know about that. Is it audible? Everything, please share me your names in the chat box. Just to get an idea who joined in the class. Share me your names in the chat box. I hope everything is clear. Then I will continue the class. Yeah, now my vision is to complete within 20 days. I want to complete entire PUC. Entire PUC class I want to complete. Today onwards, every day the class will be around 1 hour 10 minutes. The class will be around 1 hour 10 minutes, or at least 1 hour 15 minutes. All the chapters I will complete. Today I am concentrating. Today I will complete 1 mark and 2 mark questions I am going to complete. Tomorrow's session I will complete 3 mark questions. The people who are attending, please share your names in the chat box. I am trying to cover all the expected questions in first PUC. Don't miss the classes. Attend regularly. If attend regularly, you practice this, definitely minimum 90% you can score. Minimum 90% you can score. Practice these questions. You get an idea if you practice these questions. No doubt in that. So please share your names in the chat box. I am asking again. I should know who are attending regularly. For them, even I can send you the worksheets also, assignments I can send you. Now I am going to start the session. Continuously attend the classes. Okay. Now I will start the session now. Now you can see now. I am going to start the session. See the topic. This is in first PUC we have the topic relations and functions. Now actually this is 35 the subject code. Now the question 1 mark questions. Around 10 questions are there 1 mark. Another 13 questions are in 2 marks. These are previously they are asking in the board exam. In the first PUC board exam. So these are previously they are asking these questions. Now see the first one. A is equal to set of 1, 2. B is equal to 3, 4. Find the number of relations from A to B. Generally, when they are talking about the relation, whenever they are talking about the relation, observe here, when they are talking about the relation, every subset of A cross B is known as a relation. Every subset of A cross B is known as a relation from A to B. So first you find when they are asking number of relations, number of elements of A cross B you find. N of A cross B you find. What is N of A cross B? N of A into N of B. You find this. They are given this. A is having 2 elements, B is having 2 elements, 2 into 2, 4. A cross B is having 4 elements. Then every subset of A cross B is known as relation. So number of relations from A to B, you can write. Number of relations, this is simple, you can write number of relations. Number of relations that can be defined from A to B. From A to B equal to, just from A to B equal to 2 to the power of N of A cross B. That's the formula we have. 2 power 4, it will be 16. So these are all 16 all subsets of A cross B is nothing but number of relations, because every subset of A cross B is known as a relation from A to B. Number of relations from A to B equal to 2 power N of A cross B, it gives 16. The second one. When I am doing, if you have any doubt, please share me the chat box. If you want to repeat the problem, definitely I am going to repeat the problem, no doubt in that. If you want to repeat, definitely I will repeat the problem. You can ask me to repeat the problem. Sure, I will repeat the problem. Now, you can see the next problem I am going to explain now. In the chat box, you can express your views. I can repeat that problem. Right. Now see the next one. If a set A has 3 elements, set A has 3 elements and B is 3, 4, 5. Find the number of elements in A cross B. Simply you can see in the previous problem I explained number of elements in A cross B. Same concept. A has 3 elements. So n of A is equal to 3. Correct? B is having 3, 4, 5. N of B is equal to 3. They are asking number of elements of A cross B. N of A cross B equal to n of A into n of B. Then it will get now 3 into 3 will get 9. Your answer is 9. Clear? You will get the answer is 9. 9 elements will be there. Now this also 2 times they asked in the PUC board exam. Here I didn't mention that here. They asked this one. I think simple problem. Right. See the third one. Please, if you are not still any doubt, any clarification, please let me know in the chat box. I will explain again and again. No issue. You can ask any number of times. No, I can explain again and again. Now see the next problem now. See the third one. If x plus 1, y minus 2 equal 3, 1. Find the values of x and y. When two ordered pairs are equal, the corresponding element should be equal. Here see this is the first x plus 1, y minus 2 equal 3, 1. They are asking whenever two ordered pairs are equal, the corresponding elements will be equal. So I can write x plus 1 is equal to 3. I can write. So x is equal to, from this, if we compare both ordered pairs, x plus 1 equal to 3, x is equal to 3 minus 1, it will be 2. Now compare y coordinates. This is second coordinate, y minus 2. Here it will be equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. X is equal to y is equal to 2. Now you can check that. I hope you understood this right. So, right. Is it clear? So here I am asking here. Is it clear? Means you can clear, or if you want still I can explain the problems whichever you want I can explain the problems again. Now see that the next problem. When I explain next problem, the fourth one. No doubt the question paper they should give from this only, all expected questions only. See the fourth one. Again same. These two articles are equal. Find the values of x and y. 2017 they asked this problem. Comparing both sides, I can write x minus 1 is equal to 2. Take x minus 1 is equal to 2. Then x is equal to transform on this side. 2 plus 1, 3. Again, compare y plus 3 is equal to x plus 4. Be careful, this is x plus 4. That means after finding x, you should use here x plus 4. So this implies I can write y is equal to, you can, what about x value? X value 3. 3 plus 4. This value transfer that side, minus 3. Then you will get y is equal to 4. So x equal to 3, y is equal to 4. X equal to 3, y is equal to 4. We got x equal to 3, y is equal to 4. See the fifth one now. When I am explaining fifth problem, A is equal to set of 1, 2. B is equal to set of x such that x belongs to n, x is a natural number, and x square minus 9 equal to 0. Then find A cross B. See here, we know the set A, but the set B is given set builder form. Write in the roster form to write A cross B. So what is the roster form of this? First I will convert into roster form. Then we will find A cross B. But because we know A is equal to 1, 2. When I have taken B is equal to, but what to write the roster form, x square minus 9 equal to 0 is given. X square minus 9 equal to 0. Then I can write here x square minus 9 equal to 0. So you will get here x square is equal to 9, x equal to plus or minus 3. But they are given x is a natural number. Since x belongs to n, I can write here since x belongs to n, I can consider x is equal to 3 only, right? Since x is a natural number, I can consider x is equal to 3. Therefore, I can write the set B is equal to only singleton 3. The given A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to singleton 3. Now they are asking A cross B. You know that A cross B is equal to set of 1, 3 and 2, 3. 1, 3, 2, 3. I hope you understood this. Please check that. If any doubt, please ask me. I can explain again. No doubt. I am here to explain to you, to help you. Any number of times you can ask. Definitely I am going to explain to you. No doubt in that. I can repeat any number of times. Ultimately you should understand. That is my vision. You should understand that. If you ask any number of times, I will explain. Definitely that. See, I will see the next problem now. If x plus 1 by 2 comma 7 is equal to 6 comma 7, they are asking find dx. X plus 1 by 2 comma 7, 6 comma find dx. Again, two ordered pairs are equal. 7, 7. Equate the first coordinate here. X plus 1 by 2 equal to 6. You write x plus 1 by 2 equal to 6, right? X plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 equal to 6. Do the cross multiplication. X plus 1 is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 minus 1. It will be 11. 11. Now you can see here. Definitely in this relations and functions, they are going to ask around 15 to 7. Definitely if they give like around 15 to 20 marks, you will get in this chapter only. If you are thorough with the chapter, no doubt you can score around 15 to 20 marks, especially in relations and functions. Minimum 15 marks, no doubt in that. Minimum 15 marks you can score in PUC, including choice. I am talking about that. Minimum 15 marks you can score in this. Now, if A is equal to set of 1, 2, B is equal to 3, 4, then show that A cross B intersection empty set is equal to empty set. They are asking show that this is an empty set. But always remember, when I have taken B intersection empty set, if you see empty set means no elements, correct? So automatically B intersection empty set, B empty set gives empty set, because there is no common elements of B and empty set. Now they are asking A cross B intersection empty. What are the elements of A? You write A cross B intersection empty set equal to A cross B intersection empty set is empty set. A cross empty set gives empty set. In a Cartesian product, this is called Cartesian product. One of the set is empty set, then the final output will be the empty set. So I can write this is the proof here. Because A cross, it is a Cartesian product of A and empty set gives empty set. Right? Here, anyone have doubt, please ask me here. I can explain again. If you have doubt, I will explain. I hope is it clear. So is it clear? Any doubt you have? You can ask. Yeah, if you have doubt, you can ask. I will repeat that. Any number of times I can repeat, no issue. You should ultimately understand. That is my vision. You should understand that. It takes time also, no problem. You should understand the concept. Now, you can see that. This is the answer here. Now coming to the eighth one. See the eighth problem. If for some non-empty sets A and B containing 3 elements, but here some mistake is there in this problem. Why? Because here for some non-empty set A and B containing 3 elements, and A cross B is having, these are the elements not equal this one. Here this should write here. For some non-empty set A, B containing, they are saying B containing 3 elements, A cross B is having these elements, not this is entire A cross B. This is not entire A cross B. Because A cross B is having, here you can write this one, this you can write A cross B is having. A cross B is having these elements, these ordered pairs. Please change this problem like that. Some mistake is here. Printing mistake this one. Consider A cross B is having set of, don't keep us set. A cross B is having ordered pair 3, 4, 5 minus 3, 6, 1. You consider only this one, don't consider this set also. A cross B is having these elements are written here. A cross B is having these ordered pairs. Find the set A. This is having A cross B is having. A cross B is having these ordered pairs. What is set A? But we know B is having 3 elements, set A. here you can see total when they're given here non-empty set A and the containing 3 elements in A cross. These are the elements they are given here. The first elements gives 3, 5, 6. They are given for non-empty set A, B containing and B containing 3 elements of A cross B. They are given like this. So what is the find the set A? But B told 3 elements, right? That is the reason. Mention here n of B is equal to 3, no doubt. N of B is equal to 3. So that definitely elements of A also we can find now. This is elements of B is given 3. N of B is equal to 3. In A cross B, these are the few elements of that. So since N of B is equal to 3, I can find B easily. Why? Because 3 different elements are there. 4 minus 3, 1, that is B. But correspondingly, what is A now? A is required. If we stick A here, I can write 3, 5, 6. So that is the required one. A is equal to 3, 5, 6. Set of 3, 5, 6. That will be A. A is equal to set of 3, 5, 6. A is equal to set of 3, 5, 6. They are asking what is set A. A is equal to 3, 5, 6. That will be simple. Understood here? So how can you decide the total 9 elements are A? Why? Because here B containing 3 elements. So 3 elements I can mention 4 minus 3, 1. Definitely along with first coordinates belong to the set A. So A is having 3 different elements 3, 5, 6. A is equal to 3, 5, 6. Now coming to the 9th problem. I am going to explain the 9th problem. 9th one. Just you see the 9th problem now. I am going to explain the 9th one. See the 9th one. Let A is equal to 2, 3, 4 and R be a relation on A defined by R is equal to set of x comma y such that xy belongs to A, x divides y. Find relation R. The given A is equal to set of 2, 3, 4. R be a relation on A defined by R equal to set of x comma y such that xy belongs to A, x divides y. They are saying x divides y. So A to relation A to A only. Relation A to A only, but condition x you should find x divides y. So you can think about now R is equal to, so you take 2 divides 2, no doubt, and 2 divides 4 because x divides y. In this A to A, the relation is A to A only. They are asking in this, they are saying R is subset of A cross A. In this problem, R is subset of A cross A. 2, 2, 2, 4. Again 3, 3. 3 divides 3 and 4 divides 4. So this is our set that they are asking here. X divides y. That is the required set. 2 divides 2. 2 divides 4. 3 divides 3. 4 divides 4. So this is the required set. They are asking this one only. That is the required set. I hope you understood this. Is clear. So that is the required set. Alright. I hope you understood this. Is it clear what I explained here? Still if you have doubt, let me know. I can repeat again. If any doubt, I can repeat. So that's the problem. I explained that one. Now I will explain the next one now. See the next one now. So find the domain of the real valued function. Find the domain of the real valued function. Sometime for the same question they are asking for 2 marks. Domain and range, both they may ask. Domain and range. When they are asking find the domain of the real valued function, you have root of 9 minus x square. What it means domain here? For what value suffix this function satisfies? What values can I substitute here? So since root inside root is there, always inside root means root of 9 minus x square. You remember 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. Because negative number I can't consider inside the root. So root of 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. You multiply with the negative, you will get x square minus 9 less than or equal to 0. When you multiply negative an inequality, then greater than will become less than or equal to 0. X square minus 9 is greater than or less than or equal to 0. This is x square minus 9. So a square minus b square. Find the factors of this. X plus 3 into x minus 3. You will get less than or equal to 0. When two product of two linear factors less than or equal to 0, here I can conclude that x lies between minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Because x lies between minus 3 and 3, that means here x belongs to closed interval minus 3 comma 3. So this is our domain. I can write domain equal to, be careful here, domain is equal to closed interval minus 3 comma 3. This is domain. Be careful, interval, closed interval you should write. It's not open interval. Like this second point, domain. I will explain 2 marks questions. They are asking sometime. Find domain and range. Both they are going to ask for 2 marks questions. So with these 10 questions, always they may repeat the question any one of that from that only for 1 mark question if they are asking. I covered all 1 mark questions. You try to solve those 1 mark questions. Definitely you are able to answer that 1 mark question from the topic relations and functions. No doubt in that. You can answer that 1 mark question. Definitely you can answer that 1 mark question. Now, see that the 2 I'm going to explain now 2 marks questions now. I'm going to explain the 2 marks questions. See the 2 marks questions now. Right here. Look at the 2 marks question. Now the Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found minus 1, 0 and 0, 1. Because we know that 2 ordered pairs. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. Because we know that the Cartesian product has 9 elements. The Cartesian product has 9 elements, among which are found minus 1, 0 and 0, 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. Look into this. We have the elements of, if you observe here, 3 different elements are here. Minus 1, 0, 1. That means look into this, we can decide, because A cross A has 9 elements. Since A cross A, the given n of A cross A is equal to 9. That means this is 3 into 3. So that means n of A is having 3 elements. N of A is there, that implies I can, since look into all 3 different elements, I can write A is equal to set of, I can write minus 1, 0, 1. This is A. They are asking remaining elements of A cross A. First you write A cross A, then write the remaining elements of that. So when you are writing A cross A, you can write minus 1, 0, 1 cross minus 1, 0, 1. You write all the elements. You will write minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1. I can write 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Correct? You are taking 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 with 1 now. 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. I have written everything. From that which is required you write except these 2. So they are saying here except minus 1, 0, 0, 1. So except minus 1, 0, 0, you can think except this one. Except minus 1, 0 and 0, 1. You can see here we have 0, 1 here. Except these 2, remaining you can consider. So you write remaining, except these 2, write the remaining ordered pairs. Remaining ordered pairs of that. They are asking except those 2 there. That they are asking you find you A cross A. Then you write the required elements of A cross A is equal to except these 2, you write all the ordered pairs. This is for 2 marks question. This is important model. Expected question. Now find the domain and range of the real valued function. Find the domain and range of the real valued function f of x equal to root of 9 minus x square. Find the domain and range of the real valued function f of x equal to root of 9 minus x square. Just in the previous problem, 1 more question, question number 10, I explained how to find the domain. I will repeat here. I told here 9 minus x square, just you observe here. I will repeat this, 9 minus x square, this should be greater than or equal to 0. Just I told this one, greater than or equal to 0. Because negative number doesn't exist. Then x square minus 9 less than or equal to 0. then x plus 3 into x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Then I told you here x lies between minus 3 and 3, including minus 3 and 3. So that is the reason I told you domain is equal to closed interval. I can write here domain is equal to closed interval minus 3 comma 3. Correct. When you are finding range, we should be careful now. When you are finding, this is the closed interval, because we have the values here. Domain we have minus 3 and 0 and 3. If we substitute the values between 0 and 3 and minus 3 and 0, since we have x square here, to find that value, to find the range, if we say f of minus 3 also find, because range means output. Even if you find f of minus 3, it will be 0, right? Substitute f of minus 3, you find f of minus 3 in the root of 9 minus 9, it gives 0. You find f of 0, substitute f of 0, root 9 minus 0, it will be 3. You find f of 3, f of 3 also root of 9 minus 9, root of 9 minus 9, it gives, you can see here, 0. At minus 3 and 3 we got 0, at f of 0 we got 3. So this function always lies between 0 and 3, it oscillates. You see, in the beginning at minus 3 we got 0, at 3 we got 0, at 0 we got 3. So maximum value 3, minimum value 0. I can write now the range is equal to, I can write closed interval 0 comma 3. Domain is minus 3 comma 3, range is equal to closed interval 0 comma 3, we can write. Now look into the 13th problem. Just you see the 13th problem, I am explaining now 2 marks problems. If you have any doubt, you can ask me again and again. I am here to explain. I will explain. Any doubt, if I will explain again and again. No doubt, I will explain if you have doubt. Okay, now you can see here. Just the next problem I am going to explain now. A equal to set of 1 comma 2, B equal to set of 3 comma 4. Write A cross B. How many subsets will A cross B have? They are asking number of subsets of A cross B. They are asking how many subsets will A cross B have. When they are asking number of subsets of A cross B, first find number of elements of A cross B. N of A cross B. It will be N of A into N of B. Then A is having 2 elements, B is having 2 elements, it gives 4. So N of A cross B is having 4 elements. They are asking not number of elements of A cross B. This is elements of A cross B. They are asking how many subsets will A cross B have. Number of subsets of A cross B. Always remember, number of subsets of A cross B is nothing but number of relations from A to B, both are same. Number of subsets of A cross B equal to 2 power N of A cross B. It will be 2 power 4, which is equal to 16. For 2 marks they will give finding elements of A cross B 1 mark and finding number of subsets of A cross B 16. Even if they ask number of relations from A to B, same. Number of relations A to B also same. This is subsets of A cross B. Number of subsets of A cross B. This one too. You get 16. Now, A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to set of 4, 6, 9. Define a relation from A to B. See the 14th one. A is equal to 1, 2, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, no 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. B equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R equal to set of x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd. Difference between x, y and D is odd. But x belongs to A, y belongs to B. The difference should be the saying here, the difference between x and y is odd. You remember they are asking the difference between x and y is odd. That should be odd. So when you are writing, you should find odd here. You can be careful here. Now you can see your answer here. I will write R is equal to set of, see you take 1. If you take 1 and 4, because they are asking here the relation between, correct. Now I am saying here, this one, the difference between, remember, the difference between x and y is odd. Here that is difference between x and y is odd. Now if I take r is equal to set of, take 1, you see 1 and 4 is 3. So I can take 1, 4, 1 ordered pair. 1, 6, also I can consider because difference is 5, odd number. 1, 9, difference is 8, we don't want. Now start with the 2. 2, 4, difference is 2, we don't want. 2, 6, difference is 4, even number we don't want. 2, 9, difference is 7, odd number I can consider. Now look into 3. 3, 4, difference is odd number. 3, 6, difference is odd number. If you take 3, 9, difference is 6, even number we don't want. Now 5, 4, odd number. 5, 6, odd number, difference is odd number. 5, 9, difference is even number, we don't want that. So this is required one. The difference of these two elements should be odd number, then we can write this. So this is the required answer, the 14th one. I hope you understood this. I have taken like this, xy belongs to AB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 9. Follow the condition, difference between x and y should be odd number. Difference between x and y is odd number. You should follow this is odd number. Then you follow that, you find R value. Correct? I hope you understood this. Anyone have doubt, please ask me in the chat box. I can explain again and again. If you have doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. I can explain. Is it clear? Is it clear? You can ask me any number of times. I am here to explain. Now see this one. I will explain now. So again, A is equal to set of minus 1 comma 1. Find A cross A. The minus 1 comma 1, find A cross A. When they are given like this. Now, first you write A cross A. You write A cross A. Set of minus 1, you can write, I can write minus 1 comma 1. Cartesian product of this. You write this. Because we will get A cross A. Minus 1 minus 1. And minus 1 comma 1. And start with 1 comma minus 1. And do 1 comma 1. Now they are asking A cross A. Because we know that this is A cross A. So A cross A. So total we have already this one. We have 4. Correct. You can see 4 into A is having 2 elements. Total it comes again. We will get 8. So because 2 into 2 into 2, 8 it comes. So this is A cross A. I want again cross A. Again cross A means we know A cross A. Again cross A means you take again A is equal to minus 1 comma 1. You write now A cross A. So you take minus 1 minus, you observe here. First you take A cross A element. This one. Minus 1. Again with minus 1. You write first one again. Minus 1. Again 1. So along with this one is over. Now you start with this. Minus 1. Again minus 1. Minus 1 with 1. Now this element. 1 minus 1. Be careful. 1 minus 1 with minus 1. Again at 1 minus 1 with 1. Be careful when you are writing. Now with the last order pair, this one I can write with this 1 minus 1 1. It goes like this. Be careful. First you write A cross A. Again this first ordered pair, comma this minus 1. Again this first ordered pair, again comma 1. Second ordered pair, minus 1. Again second ordered pair, comma 1. Third ordered pair, comma minus 1. Third ordered pair, comma 1. Fourth ordered pair, comma minus 1. Fourth ordered pair, comma 1. Like this you can find A cross A. It gives 8 triplets. We can say this is called triplets. Always you can say triplets. Now see in this. I hope you understood this. Is clear? These are the simple problems they are asking here. Write the notes, follow the notes, write the notes, do it again and again. Today itself we should complete the topic 1 mark and 2 mark questions. You should complete this topic 2 mark and 1 mark questions. Now, see that. F of x equal to x square, g of x equal to 2x plus 1. Be two real functions. Find f plus g of x, f minus g of x, f g of x, f by g of x. See the first one. When they are taking the first one, they are asking f plus g of x. When they are asking f plus g of x is nothing but this is x. I can write f plus g of x. I can write f of x plus g of x. What is f of x? X square plus g of x 2x plus 1. That's all. I can complete this. Now the second one. We take second one, f minus g of x. So f of x minus g of x. Should be careful. X square minus of 2x plus 1. This minus, the people, they may forget about this bracket. We should be careful. X square minus of 2x plus 1. The answer will be x square minus 2x minus 1. We should be careful when I have written this. Just f minus z. Difference of two functions, right? And third one. See that if it looking third one, you observe your third one is fg of x. When they are asking fg of x, this will be f of x into g of x. I can write f of x and g of x means, so what is f of x? X square into g of x is 2x plus 1. So it comes to x square into 2x cube plus x square. 2x cube plus x square. Now we will explain the fourth one. See the fourth one, what they are asking, f by g of x. F by g of x. When they are asking f by g of x, then I can write f of x by g of x. But you careful here. When I have written this, g of x should not be equal to 0. This value, g of x should not be equal to 0. The denominator should not be 0. The condition should be there. The denominator should not be equal to 0. And so that value should not be 0. G of x should not be equal to 0. So you can write now, which is equal to f of x, you will get x square by 2x plus 1. So denominator should not be 0 means you can check. That means x should not be equal to minus 1 by 2. So how can you conclude that? You take in the 2x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 by 2. So x should not be minus 1 by 2. This is f by g of x, quotient of two functions. F of x by g of x not equal to 0. Write x square by 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 not equal to 0 means x should not be equal to minus 1 by 2. How sir, how you got this? Write in the rough, sir. You can write the reason 2x plus 1 not equal to 0. Like that you can find this. The reason you can write 2x plus 1 not equal to 0. X not equal to minus 1 by 2. You will get here. I am telling this is the bracket, the reason I have given here. I hope you understood this. Is clear. Yes. Now I am doing the next problem now. So the next one. These are also important. They are asking frequently in the exam. They are asking. See the next problem now. F of x is given x cube plus 1. G of x is x plus 8. Be two real functions. Find f plus g of 1. They are asking f plus g of 1. See, we know that f plus g of x means f of x plus g of x. Same thing I can find here. F plus g of 1. I can write f of 1 plus g of 1. I can write. F of 1 means replace x with 1 here. It will come 1 cube plus 1. G of 1, replace x with 1, it comes 1 plus 8. G of 1, this is G of 1. We no need to find f of g of x of replacing. Some people they will do f of x plus g of x, then next they will replace 1. But I can do like this. You can see now 1 cube plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 9, answer will be 11. You will get 11, answer is 11, right? Answer is 11. I hope you understood this, right? F plus g of 1, f of 1 plus g of 1, substitute the values, it gives 11. See the 18th one now. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 3, 4, C is equal to 4, 5, 6, find A cross B union C. Find A cross B union C. When they are given A cross B union C, what is B union C here? Because Cartesian product of A and B union C. First you write B union C. I can write B union C. 3, 4 and C. B union C. So here 4 is repeated. It will come 3, 4, 5, 6. This is B union C. They are asking Cartesian product with A. But A is 1, 2, 3. We know that A is 1, 2, 3. So because we know that here A is equal to given set of 1, 2, 3. And B union C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Cartesian product. If I write Cartesian product now, A cross B. See the A cross B, what it comes now? A cross B equal to set of, again at 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 with 1 combination. With 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. With 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, correct, be careful when you are writing, be careful because 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4 and 3, 5, 3, 6, like this I can complete A cross B. Sorry, not A cross B, I have written wrong this one. Here I should write the result here, A cross B union C, this one. Just I have done correction here. A cross B union C. This is A cross B union C. Be careful here. A cross B union C is this. 3, 6. How we understood this? Because we will get 3 into 4, 12 water pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 water pairs. We got A cross B union C. Sometimes they will find A cross B intersection C also. If they ask A cross B intersection C, B intersection C having only 4 is the common element, that will be easy to write. Here they didn't ask. Suppose if they add A cross B intersection C. Suppose if they add A cross B intersection C. But we know that B intersection C is equal to singleton, only 4 will be there. Singleton 4. Suppose if they ask A cross B intersection C, then easy to write. What is A cross B intersection C? Suppose if they ask, I can write B into 4 elements, you will write 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. 3, 4 you can write. Correct? 1, 4, you understood this? This is 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Like this they can ask. If they ask A Cartesian product of A and B intersection C, it comes like this. They can ask any type of that question. Next, the 19th one. See the 19th one. Let A and B two sets such that n of A is equal to 3 elements, n of B is equal to 2 elements. They mention here. A is having, clearly they mention here, A is having 3 elements, B is having 2 elements. If 5, A, 6, B, 7, A are in A cross B, these are elements in A cross B, then find the sets A and B where A, B are distinct elements. So look into this. But clearly A is having 3 different elements. You see here 5, 6, 7, 3 different elements. So I can conclude A is equal to set of 5, 6, 7. B is having only two elements, then B is equal to two different elements is A and B. So I can write set of A comma B, that will be B. Set of A comma B. Is clear? A comma B, that is the required answer. A equals set of 5, 6, 7, B is equal to set of A comma B. Right. 28. If A is equal to set of 1 comma 2, then from the set find A cross A triplet. They are asking triplet. When they are asking triplet, you see this, when they are asking triplet, first I will write A cross A. So A means set of 1 comma 2. Cartesian product of 1 comma 2. You complete this. You will write 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, 2 2. Like this I can find. Again you write A is equal to set of 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Why? Because I have written here for you to understand this. Now you write triplet. A cross A cross A. If you write triplet, you take first ordered pair 1 1 comma 1 1. This first ordered pair along with 1. Again first ordered pair 1 1 with 2. Again 1 2 1. 1 2 with 2. You take 2 1. 2 1 with 1. Again 2 1 with 2. Now with 2 2. 2 2 with 1. 2 2 2 2. Like this you can find. Like triplet. Be careful when you are finding triplet. Like this. Previous I explained like A cross A cross A with elements of -1 0 1. Similarly like this you can find here. Triplet, you should familiar with always triplet. Sometimes they may talk about R cross R also. R cross R means two-dimensional geometry, two-dimensional space. Sometimes they will discuss R cross R. It represents coordinates of three-dimensional space. But sometimes when they're talking R cross R, this is two-dimensional space. When they're talking R cross R, it will be three-dimensional space, triplet, three-dimensional space. This is two-dimensional space. This is three-dimensional space. Because where R is here, system of real numbers. R is system of real numbers. Here also R is system of real numbers. This is two-dimensional space. This is three coordinates of three-dimensional space. I'll tell you at the end I will discuss about that. Just after completing another 10 more minutes I will complete. After I will discuss what is two-dimensional space, what is three-dimensional space. If Z to Z is a linear function defined by f equal to set of 1 comma 1, 0 comma -1, 2 comma 3, find f of x. You should find that linear function. They're asking to find that linear function. You should find the linear function. See here, to find the linear function, what I will do now, to find the linear function, first of all you should know what is linear function. So you take, let f of x is equal to ax plus b. F of x is equal to, you can consider ax plus b. So this is the linear function. Ax plus b is the linear function. F of x equal to ax plus the linear function. So you can let f of ax plus b is the linear function. This is the linear function. You can consider is a linear function. Is a linear function. I have taken it's a linear function. When I have taken it is a linear function, see it satisfies this ordered pairs. So you can see they are asking to find a and b values here. You can see it's linear function. We know meaning is f of 1. The meaning what they are given here, they are given f of 1 is equal to 1. They are given f of 0 equal to what they are given, f of 0 equal to -1, f of 2 equal to 3. That they are given. So in that, if I use f of 0 equal to -1, f of 0 replace here, f of 0 equal to a into 0 plus b. But we know that f of 0 is -1. So minus 1 is equal to b. So you will get b is equal to minus 1. We got one value. This is implies minus 1 is because f of 0 is minus 1. So a into 0, 0. So b equal to minus 1 we got. If we use either first one or third one, f of 2 is equal to 3 or f of 1 is equal to 1. If we take f of 1, a into 1 plus b, if I consider, implies what is f of 1? F of 1 is 1. So 1 is equal to a plus b. But we know here b is minus 1. B is minus 1. From this I can write a is equal to 1 minus b. It will be 1 plus 1, 2. Because that is minus 1, right? A is equal to 1 minus b. So this is a. 1, this is 2. So therefore I can write f of x is equal to ax plus b, means I can write 2x plus 2x minus 1. Because b is minus 1, we got the answer f of x for 2x minus 1. This is important model. Most important model. They may ask for 2 marks. No doubt in that. So linear function means f of x equal to ax plus b is the linear function. The given f of 1 is equal to 1. F of 0 means, or how can you write that? The meaning here, when x is equal to 1, y value 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1. F of 0 equal to minus 1. F of 2 equal to 3. You take f of y because it's simple to eliminate a. F of 0 equal to I have taken. So substitute f of 0, a into 0 plus b. But you know f of 0 minus 1 equal to b. We got b value. You take either f of 2 or f of 1. Anyone you can take it. I have taken f of 1 equal to a into 1 plus b. So 1 equal to a plus b. We know b value. Find a value. A is equal to 2. F of x equal to 2x minus 1. So this is the required answer. Today's session, the last problem I'm going to explain. One more 2 problems we have. You can see. Write the domain and range of the function f of x equal to mod x. Most important one. Domain and range of the function f of x equal to mod x. Mod x gives always absolute values. It gives always positive values. But they are asking domain. Whatever you take in the place of x, it gives only positive or 0. Because we know the definition of mod x. Because mod x is equal to, we know x when x is positive, is equal to x when x is positive. Equal to greater than or equal to 0 also you can write. Minus x when x is negative. Since x is negative, minus x. But minus of negative number gives positive number. That means either greater than or equal to 0, less than 0, always mod x equal to, it gives only positive number. So I can substitute any real number, no restriction. I can write domain is equal to set of real numbers. Where R represents set of real numbers. This is R. R where R represents set of real numbers. When you are talking this one, always we know this value, always greater than or equal to 0. Always. When x less than minus x, but the output is always mod x gives always greater than or equal to 0. So the output always mod x value is greater than or equal to 0. That means I can write here in this value since mod x is given, the range will be x greater than or equal to 0. Always the output will be f of x, because mod x, f of x will be greater than or equal to 0. Always, that means greater than or equal to the value f of x greater than or equal to 0. I can write range is equal to 0 to infinity, because 0 or more than that, this is range. Range is equal to 0 comma infinity, we can write. It gives only positive values including 0. That will be the range. Domain and range. Then we can write answers domain equal to R, range is equal to 0 comma, we can write that. No issue, can write that. Like that I can complete this. Now coming to the last problem now. So these are the frequently they are asking in the exam. That's the reason I am suggesting everyone, do it again and again these problems. Then easy for you to solve it. Right. You can see the next one now. When I am taking the next problem, find the domain and range of the real function defined by. Find the domain and range of the real function defined by. When they are talking domain range of the real function, real function, first one I will check that f of x is equal to root x minus 1. Root of x minus 1. This is given. First, they are asking domain of this function. When they are asking domain of this function, be careful here. Whenever they are asking domain of this function, So for what value suffix I can substitute here x value, x minus should be positive, right? Here again this function defines, this function exists whenever x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So x greater than or equal to 1, x value greater than or equal to 1 only I can consider. At 1 it will be 0 or greater than or equal to 1. So since x value greater than or equal to 1, there is no restriction, I can take it greater than or equal to 1. I can write domain equal to 1 to infinity, greater than or equal to 1. I can write any number, I can take it either 1, if you take 1 it will be 0, more than 1 I can consider. But look into this, we know that x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, root x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, that means f of x greater than or equal to 0, this implies range is equal to more than 0 to infinity, including 0. Because this is, the meaning is this is positive square root. You never get negative values. Meaning is positive square root. So f of x greater than or equal to 0. Clearly mentioned here. So range is equal to, I can write including 0, right? Range equal to including 0 to infinity. Like this we can consider. So this is the domain and range important problem here. Now here I will tell you another one. This is second one. If they are asking f of x mod x minus 1, f of x equal to mod x minus 1. If they are asking f mod x minus 1, again, think here, there is no restriction here. I can substitute any number here, no restriction. So I can write here, domain is equal to, in this problem, any number I can substitute, domain is equal to R, set of real numbers. Domain is equal to set of real numbers. Domain equal to set of real numbers. Coming to the range. What is the range it comes now? You can see here. In this problem, you can observe here. Mod x minus 1 I have taken here. Correct? Domain is equal to R. Any number I can substitute. No restriction here. Correct. Now coming to the range. See the range now. What about the range of this function? Again, modulus function. Always it comes greater than or equal to 0. It comes x minus mod x minus 1. The function here. It gives greater than or equal to 0. Correct. Here I can write range is equal to the function gives, because this function will be 0, otherwise it will be positive. So f of x greater than or equal to 0. Then I can write range is equal to 0 to infinity, excluding that. Like this I can write clearly. We can express like this. Correct? Domain is R. Any number I can substitute here. No restriction here. Now f of x greater than or equal to 0. Correct? Like this we can write domain and range of this function. Now, coming to this. Again, suppose if I had the problem, they are asking, find the domain of something, 1 by x minus something they are asking. For example, 1 by x minus 2. They are asking about the domain of this. Here domain, I can write any real number except 2. So r minus singleton 2 I can write. If there x minus 2. Domain. This I am giving here. What is the domain of this? Suppose they are given, what is the domain of 1 by x? Here x not equal to 0, right? Domain I can write, in this case also, we can write domain equal to except 0. Like this. Suppose they are giving 1 by x plus 2. What is the domain of this? If they are giving 1 by x plus 2. If there are, suppose I am talking about the domain. 1 by they are given x plus 2 into x minus 3. X plus x minus 3. What is the domain of this? When they are asking domain, r minus, I should not take it minus 2 comma 3. Because at this value this will be 0. Like this you can find domain. You should be careful all with this. So now, today I am going to complete the session with this. If you are happy with my session, please like this. Everybody, if you are happy with my session, please like this. Even in the comment box, you can give your comments. Please comment. Whatever help you want, again I can repeat again and again. Again, I can see you tomorrow. The tomorrow time will be, because the tomorrow I am going to take the class 6 to 7. The tomorrow class will be 6 to 7. Tomorrow class at 6 p.m. Tomorrow class at 6 p.m. Tomorrow I am going to complete 3 marks questions, 5 marks questions also. 3 marks and 5 marks I will complete the chapter. Even if time permits, I will start trigonometric functions also. I will start trigonometric functions because I am going to complete all the chapters, not single. I won't leave single chapter. All the 16 chapters I am going to explain. Each chapters I will do at the end. Mathematical reasoning, statistics, sets I will do at the end. Definitely I am going to cover all the chapters. Please attend the classes. Minimum 90% you should get it. 90 marks. My target is minimum 90 marks. If you like the session, please respond. Please like the session and please comment in the comment box. Write your comments. Any suggestion, please let me know. Write in the comments your suggestion. Not in the chat box. Write in the comments. Then I can follow your suggestions, no doubt. I am going to help you. This coming 20 days, I am going to take your classes to help you to cover the syllabus. Because my aim is final exam. Not this coming like pre-boards or like that. My intention in the final exam you should score minimum 90. Thank you. See you in the next class.